This blew my mind. Project Hail Mary is by Andy Weir. Yep, same author as The Martian. So you get that science plus survival vibe. But here's the twist. He wakes up alone on a ship. No memory, no idea why he's there. Then he realizes he's on a mission to save Earth. And, surprise, he befriends an alien called Rocky. It's not humans versus space, it's humans plus aliens using science. Oh, and Ryan Gosling plays the lead. He even worked with real scientists to nail the role. Fancy more insane movie facts? Follow me, or go watch Project Hail Mary now.